Sponge. SpongeBob yogurt. Jeez. The Wrath of Azaroth.
I can't stop.
Hey, bird! Look at this very valuable shiny ring I just found. In a not very dangerous mountain. Wow, Ant, that ring is amazing. And by the way, that guy has been following us for 20 minutes. I'm Mr. Basics, look at me. What was that? Oh well. Ships and whistles. Where's the ring?
Can you do something for me?
Why? Right when we're left alone?
So I could have more alone time. You know what I mean?
I'll go save Bird, or you marry me, or so help me. Mean whale. Oh, you like my cologne? No, that's not what I meant. I am Azaroth, the dragon of destruction and greed. If you take a single cent from me, death will fall upon you. I made a huge mistake taking the ring from Azaroth. He kidnapped Bird all because of me, and it's all my fault, and Carrie almost married me because of it, and why am I even lamenting on this situation like right now? You guys want to go skateboards? Oh, I finally found it. I gotta take the shot before I say yacht. Oh, it already did. Boom, death. I'm joking. Admit, you're the one who stole the ring from me. Me? Heck no. Ant was the one who stole it. Who's this so-called Ant? You'll see. Don't worry, Bird. I'm here to save you. We made it. Oh crap, I forgot to give the ring back to Azaroth. I forgot. Bing. My ring is back.
Let's get married.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Boom. Ah!